In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a license key on Payhip. If you're selling digital products, managing license keys is a useful way to enhance security and ensure that each sale is attributed a unique code. This can help not only in preventing unauthorized copying, but also in maintaining comprehensive sales records. So, let's dive right in and get started with this simple process. To begin, we'll start by navigating to your Payhip dashboard. If you're not familiar with this, Payhip is an online platform that allows creators to sell digital products directly to consumers. It's user-friendly, and managing products here is a breeze once you get the hang of it. Once you're logged in, locate the Products tab on your dashboard. This tab is crucial because it's where all your existing digital products are listed. Select the digital product that you want to add license keys to. If you have multiple products, take a moment to double-check you're choosing the right one. Once you've selected your product, scroll down until you reach the Advanced Options section. This section contains a variety of additional features you can enable to customize your product's delivery and management. As we're specifically looking to add license keys today, we'll focus on this component. Scroll carefully, as this section holds multiple options, and it's easy to overlook the specific setting we're after. Here, you'll find an option labeled Generate Unique License Keys for Each Sale. By default, this might not be checked. To enable license keys for your product, you'll want to tick this box. This small action instructs the system to generate a fresh, unique license key for every transaction that occurs. This tool is particularly helpful for software or media creators who want that extra layer of uniqueness and security for their digital offerings. After you've checked the box, it's important not to forget the final step: saving your changes. This is critical because, without saving, all the adjustments we've made won't take effect. Look for the Save Changes button and give it a click. You should see a confirmation or some indicator that your settings have been successfully updated, and that's all there is to it. Ensuring your digital products on Payhip have their own unique license keys is not only valuable for keeping your product secure, but it also presents a more professional image to your customers, who will appreciate having a legitimate, licensed product. Feel free to explore additional options under the Advanced section. It's useful to familiarize yourself with the tools available to potentially enhance your offerings even further. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped streamline your digital product management on Payhip.